Hello everybody, welcome back. We're going to simplify some exponential terms in this video. We've got 8 examples to show you. Let's get started. Look at number 1 here. We have 20x to the third and 4x to the fifth. We're going to do the 20 divided by 4 to give us 5. And then when dividing exponential terms, bases are the same, subtract the exponents. That 3 and that 5 get subtracted. So it becomes x to the negative 2. We normally don't leave exponents with negatives. So all we need to do is put that negative 2 becomes a positive if you just put it in a denominator. Put it in denominator. And that's true if you go from numerator to denominator or vice versa. It changes the sign of the exponent. Okay, look at number 2. We got power of a power. Now you don't see the exponents. 3x squared y. There's an exponent of 1 right here. There's also an exponent of 1 right here on the 3 and the y. When you have a power of a power, the exponents get multiplied. So what we end up having here is 3 to the third, x to the sixth, and y to the third. Now we're going to simplify here. 3 times 3 times 3, 27, x to the sixth and y to the third. Alright, look at number 3. There's our negative exponent again. We can make it a positive exponent. By putting it in the denominator. We still need to square everything inside the parentheses there. 4 squared is 16, x squared, we just write x squared, 1 over 16x squared. Get all our answers circled here so we can identify them easily. Now notice number 4. There's not too much to do other than just reverse the variables. Notice they're both negatives, but if we put the y in the numerator and the x in the denominator, the exponents become positive. 2y squared over x. You can say x to the 1 or just x. Alright, so there's those 4. Let's look at the next 4 here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, a little bit more complicated on some of these. On number 5, everything is just getting squared. 2x to the fourth, y to the third. 2 squared is 4. And then on our exponents, 4 times 2 is 8, x to the eighth. 3 times 2 is 6, y to the sixth. 4x to the eighth in the numerator, y to the sixth in the denominator. For number 6, now we have powers that are being multiplied. When you multiply powers, the exponents get added. So this becomes x to the 7th, y to the 11th. The 2 and the 5 get added. The 3 and the 8 get added. Alright, so that's number 6. Now, 7 and 8 are going to go real quick. Whenever you have an exponent to the 0 power, a base to a 0 power, nothing really happens other than it becomes the number 1. Anything to the 0 power is 1. So we got all this stuff here in number 8, 2x squared, y to the fifth. It's just 1. Alright, and I hope that helps your understanding of exponential terms and simplifying. Thank you for watching.